The job of every realtor is to find a ready, willing, and able buyer and seller. Problem is, most of you have no idea how you're going about doing that. Some of you, it's just magically happened. Some of you are being tactical. But whatever your route is, you're either doing it by lead generation or lead attraction. Now, I say those two phrases, lead generation and lead attraction, but do you really even know the difference? And do you have any clue which one you're actually doing? Lead generation and lead attraction have the exact same goal in mind. We are simply trying to create or find an opportunity to have a real estate conversation. Now, here's how you do that with lead generation. The analogy for lead generation is being the guy at the bar that's just trying to find somebody who's willing to hook up. Homeboy's ready. It's a Friday night. We're gonna find somebody who wants to hook up. And here's how he goes about doing it. Wanna hook up, wanna hook up, wanna hook up, wanna hook up, wanna hook up. And just goes around the bar asking everybody if they wanna hook up. Now, he had to take some time in the bathroom to pump himself up and splash some water on his face and practice his script in the mirror and say the things and anticipate some rejection and all of the negativity that comes with that. But homeboy is focused on his goal. He's gonna find somebody to hook up with tonight. So again, he goes around and he asks 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 because he knows at some point in time he's gonna find somebody who's ready, willing, and able to hook up with him. And that's lead generation as a realtor in a nutshell. You're going around and you're asking. It's a numbers game. You know eventually if you ask enough people in the right setting, in the right context, with the right question, if they need to buy or sell a home, then at some point you're going to get a yes. Now let's look at lead attraction. Lead attraction is that perfect person at the bar. Now think about who that person is for you. What does he or she look like? What are they wearing? How do they smell? The smile on their face, the gleam in their eyes. You know there's something different about this person. And guess what? Everybody at the bar knows there's something different about this person. Now, this person has the same goal in mind. End of the day, I'm hooking up. But instead of going up and asking everybody, you want to hook up, or you want to hook up, you want to hook up, everybody at the bar is coming up to that person. And they're not asking, hey, you want to hook up? They're throwing some game down because they know there's something extra about this person. There's something special about this person who has everybody's attention on them. What is it about this person? So now I'm gonna put my best game on. I'm gonna present my best self to this person because I'm the person that's trying to get this person to do what I want, as opposed to the other scenario. Lead attraction is all about being that person at the middle of the bar that everybody is coming up to. So which one are you doing? Which person at the bar are you? Are you even at the bar? Some of you aren't even showing up. But if you're there, are you tactically employing one of the two strategies? Are you consistently doing those things? Do you even know how to generate a lead? Do you even know how to attract a lead? Or are you the person that just, it magically happens every now and then? I have a feeling you want to create a business of consistent, ready, willing, and able buyers and sellers, whether you're generating the lead or you're attracting the lead, because we kind of have to do a little bit of both. But I have a feeling you're one of those realtors that wants to have a successful, thriving business. But you cannot do it if you're not tactically, consistently either generating or attracting ready, willing, and able buyers and sellers. So comment below, what are you tactically, consistently doing that is either generating ready, willing, and able buyers and sellers or attracting ready, willing, and able buyers and sellers to you? And be specific. What are the things that are working for you that help you find or attract people who need to buy or sell a home? Both strategies work. You need to employ a little bit of both of these tactics. And in the next video, we're gonna dive specifically into what it really looks like to generate a lead, to be the person at the bar that's asking everybody if they want to hook up. There's nothing wrong with that, but we're gonna dive deeper into how you tactically do that. And again, if these videos are helpful for you, if you are learning tactical steps to grow your real estate business, then subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends, and let's keep watching.